Hello students, welcome to the class. In today's video, I'm going to explain the problem which is given in the previous video. As you see on the board, I have already written the question here. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to explain the question and then I'm going to solve the problem. Okay, so here the first thing is there is int a as 10. The variable a contains the value 10, then I, and then for loop is there I equals 1, I less than 5, I plus plus, SOP I plus a plus 1. Then if I mod 2 equals 0 and a mod 2 equals 0, if both the condition is true, then only we are going to break the statement here. So there are two variables are there. I'm going to write the variables here in order to explain the find the output here. So the variable I is there, variable a is there, output is there, and also the condition true or false. Okay, these things are there to find out. The first of all, the value of I is 1 here. Then the value of a is given there 10. Then come here, what is the output? So I means 1 plus value of a is 10 and then 1 again, that means the output is 12. Okay, now here the I mod 2, this one is false. Why? Because value of I is 1 mod 2, that means it gives the false condition. So here the false and double and this a the value of a is 10. So the value of a is 10. So here 10 mod 2 is 0. It is true. So the final output is false. Okay, here 12 and this one is false. Okay, so this break will not execute. Now come again, value of I becomes 2. Value of I becomes 2. Then value of I becomes 2 here. So 10. The value of a remains 10. Then after the 12, this one value of I is 2 plus value of a is 10. Then value of 1 is 1, so it gives as 13. Okay, so this one is 13. Okay, now the next one, this one, finding true or false. The value of I is 2, it is 2 here, so this one gives true, that is true. Then and this one is also true, and true. Okay, so true and true gives the true condition. Okay, so if it is true, now if this one is true, the break statement will execute, and now it is inside the loop body. So if this break statement executes, that means it sends the control out of the loop body. That means the further will not going to execute. This loop is not going to execute as the break statement encounters. So the final value, the final output is only 2, that is 12 and 13. Okay, so the final output is only 2, that is 12 and 13. No further execution will happens. Okay, Clear? If you have any doubt, then please make use of comment section to ask your queries. Okay, now move to the next question which I have given to you, that I'm going to erase this one. Okay, so answer of this one is output is only 12 and 13. Okay, 12 and 13. Okay. Now move to the next question. The next question is int I equals 5, I equals 5. Now for I equals 5, I greater than equals 0 and I minus minus, and inside this the SOP statement is there. SOP minus minus I into plus plus I plus comma and close the braces. Now here we have to calculate the output directly. So first of all, only one variable is there, that is I, and we have to calculate the value of I here. So first of all, just write this statement here, minus minus I into plus plus I. Okay, so this my statement you have to write here. So first of all, the value of I is 5. The value of I is 5. Now come here, the value of I minus minus I, that is one decrement. So here it comes 4 multiplied by, now again increment, plus plus I, so it comes 5. The result is 20. Okay, 5 into 4, that is 20. The first output is 20. Now comma. Now again I minus minus, the value of I become 4. Okay, so here minus minus I, it gives you as 3 multiplied by this plus plus I, plus plus by I means increment 1, so it gives 4. Then 4 into 3, 3 into 4, it gives 12. Again I minus minus, if I minus minus happens, this 4 becomes as 3 here, minus minus I, it gives 2 into plus plus I, 3, 2 into 3, it gives as 6. Now I minus minus, it gives 2. Okay, so 1 into 2, the output is 2. Now I minus minus, value of I is 1. Okay, value of I is 1. So minus minus I is 0 into plus plus I is 1, gives as 0. Now again I minus minus, value of I becomes 0. Minus minus I is minus 1 into plus plus I is minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Minus 1, how comes minus 1? 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Where minus 1, here it is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So output is 0. So what is the final output here? The final output of this problem is 20, 12, 6, 0 and 0. this one is the final answer. Okay, so this much is enough for today's video. Next class I will solve the next question. Okay, till then, thank you and have a nice day.